Introduction to Sociology. So first of all, we would like to study what is sociology. Sociology is a social science that studies society and the individual in perspective of society. The origin of sociology lie in the 19th century, but during the 1960s to 70s it became a major social science subject taught in universities and colleges and schools. The scope of sociology has only become more scientific with time. Sociology is the study of human social life, groups, and societies. It is a dazzling and compelling enterprise having as its subject matter our own behavior as social beings. The scope of sociology is extremely wide-ranging, from the analysis of passing encounters between individuals in the streets up to investigation of the worldwide social processes. Thank you.